I don't know about you, but I'm tired of the expense of buying wipes or paper towels for the purpose of cleaning. So I wanted to get some reusable ones that hopefully will last a while. I found these and thought I'd give them a try. These have not been washed, but I'm gonna show you what they look like pre-washing. I'm gonna wash them and revisit it. They're a normal washcloth size. If you're looking for something a lot bigger, these are not them. One side is textured. It's extremely soft. This side is more of what you would get for a washcloth kind of feel. The other side, this is 2 layers. The other side is more of a microfiber feel. So 2 very different sides. And this is quite thick. It's got a great seam. It doesn't look like it's gonna come loose. These are 12 to a package. I'm gonna throw these in the wash and we will revisit them. I'm gonna leave one unwashed so we can see if there's much shrinkage. And then I'm gonna scrub with them. Give it a go. Let's try it out. I've washed all of them except for this one. This is unwashed. These were both washed. One of them was dried on heat. One of them was air dried. Same size, neither lost shape or size. Let's compare them both to the one that did not get washed to see if it keeps its size and shape. After washing it, it appears to be slightly smaller, literally the width of the stitching smaller. Let's check the other end. Yeah, it's lost a little bit on both sides. But drying it or putting it on low heat, no heat, made no difference as far as how much it lost. The heated one did not lose any more than the non-heated one. So toss them in the dryer and don't give it a second thought. You're only gonna lose a tiny, tiny amount. They all still feel really soft. None of them feel less soft or more soft. I can't even tell which is which. And the only reason I knew for sure which was which is because I had one set aside having not been washed and the washed ones I had in a separate area. So that's how I was able to tell to be able to do this. Let's give these a try in the kitchen and see how they work. Holds a lot of water. Feels good when you're using it. Yeah, it's great. No problems whatsoever. Let's spill some water on the counter and see how much it can wipe up. I'd say half a cup. It's not the kind of cloth that repels water. Have you ever had one of those? They're so aggravating. This one soaked it right up. Fantastic. If you're looking for a replacement to paper towels and napkins, this could work. Nice. No concerns with this whatsoever. I think these will be great for cleaning up messes, whatever you need to use them for. It comes with quite a few, so they'll last you for a while. Tell me in the comments if you have things on your window ledge that your kids have made or brought to you or want to save in some way. Let me know what they are. Be sure to subscribe if you are interested in cleaning products or random things that I find on the internet. I'll see you real soon.